What's going on, everyone? Now that the top's down, I've been driving around a little bit. I've noticed that actually the throttle response isn't as good as it used to be, or it could be. And I've actually been looking up on the forums, and apparently it's a common issue. All you gotta do is shorten the slack in the throttle cable, and then that's it. So today, that's what the video is gonna be about, and let's get to it. I don't think you guys ever seen the engine bay yet of my Miata, but this is it. It's super clean. When I first got it, it was kind of oily, especially like up here and stuff, but I was able to actually get it all off with the pressure washer. This is actually what we're working with today, right here. So this cable right here, here's the throttle body, here's the cable that's got the slack. So if your car has ever got a slight throttle response issue, this might be the issue, so we're gonna fix that. Notice how there's actually a little bit of a slack to it where it hangs down a little bit, and it should be tighter up against this guy right here. Well, that's basically what we're gonna be doing. There's two bolts, one right here, one right here. They're both 12 millimeters. And you just gotta untighten the one at the same time, both of them at the same time, and then you can move the cable back and then tighten it back up and make sure it's good. The only issue you gotta do is you gotta make sure that this isn't getting pulled on it, otherwise it'll change your idle, and you don't wanna change it too much because then it can mess with the throttle and stuff like that. But you just gotta be, if you get it to the right spot, then you'll know that your throttle response is better, and it should fix a little bit of the throttle response issue that I'm having with the vehicle. Now I don't know if this might be the same issue. My throttle response with this too, with the pedal, might be affected with it because it sags a little bit before it actually starts hitting the gas. I don't know if that's something I need to fix up in there. So these are all the tools that you need. I have one 12 millimeter wrench, a second 12 millimeter wrench, I can't talk. Then I have this wrench just in case I need it, but that should be it. Alright, we got them all untightened. Alright, you should be able to see where it's a little bit unworn right there because it's been worn only right here for so many years. So this should fix the issue then. And we got it tight now. If you can see, I actually pulled it down a few threads. It was originally right here, dropped it a little bit, and now it's actually way tighter up against there, so that should do the job. Let's tighten it up completely and see how it looks from there. Alright, so it looks like that actually fixed the issue then. I'm going to start it up now and see how it looks, and we're also going to check to see if the pedal feels better, but it should be. I mean, that did the job. Oh yeah, there's immediately no more wiggle in this. There's like maybe a few millimeters of wiggle room now, but if I lightly touch it like this with my foot, let's see if we can see it up there. You can kind of see it right in the center here. Right there is where it's at. Now I'm not touching it, touching it. You see it move? That changed it completely, so I'm gonna start up and see if it made a big difference. Idle's fine, seems to be running normal. And the slightest throttle touch gives it a little bit of gas. Alright, so it's pretty good then. I think that did the job. Alright, now that that's all fixed, I'm gonna go for a quick drive to see how it's running. And but I think it's all good. So if this video helped you, I know it's an issue that I've been having ever since I bought the car, and it's been getting worse, I think. The throttle response in these things is already really good, but you want it as good as possible, especially if you're gonna take it to track or if you like spirited driving. But for now, if this video helped you, give it a like, comment on the video, and we'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.